June 16th sought responses from the centre and all state governments after a petition raised concerns over the use of Aadhaar cards beyond their intended purpose. The plea alleges that Aadhaar is being misused as proof of citizenship, domicile, residential address and date of birth and seeks to restrict its use strictly to identify verification. The petition has urged the centre, states and the Election Commission to ensure that Aadhaar is not accepted as proof of citizenship, residence, domicile or age in any official process. It specifically calls for Aadhaar to be limited only to identify verification. A bench of the Supreme Court issued notices to the centre, all states and union territories and tagged the matter along with other similar pending cases for hearing. The plea filed by advocate Ashwini Dubey also raises concerns over the use of Aadhaar in the voter registration process, including its acceptance as proof of age and residence. It seeks directions regarding its use in application forms for new voter enrollment. According to the petition, Aadhaar is currently being used widely across multiple services, including school admissions and property transactions, which it claims could enable misuse and allow individuals without proper supporting documents referred to in the plea as infiltrators or illegal immigrants to obtain official identification and records. The petitioner argues that the existing verification mechanism is not strong enough and may lead to inaccuracies in electoral rules. It therefore calls for a comprehensive revise of the verification system used in electoral processes and related documentation. So viewers, do you agree with restricting Aadhaar use beyond identity verification? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.